Hey guys, this is Shanawaz Ahmed and I'm again here with a new video on SolidWorks Motion. Now today I'm going to show you a small toy car which is going to hit a wall, and all these are made up of bricks. Okay, now for making this, what I've done, I've again made these parts. I've just created a small car, a small solid car, so that it can just go and hit this wall. This wall is made up of small cubes, or you can say small blocks here, and here you can see there is a base so that this car can travel on this base. Now the thing is, as you know that for doing in SolidWorks Motion we first have to create an assembly. So I've just created an assembly. I've just used the mates, and this base is fixed, and this car is having the tangent made. These tires are having the tangent made with this block, and this car is just going in the straightaway direction. Now for these blocks, what you have to do, you just have to create some small blocks here, and you just have to make coincident and just place on one on the other, and just do it like this, and you can create as much as big wall as you want. Now after this, the thing is, you have to suppress all the mates. Why? Because if I'm not suppressing the mates, then these blocks, these will not fall down, or these will not slide here and there. They will only be stick to one another, and they will only slide in the combination. So if you want that these blocks should fall down here and there, and we should have a realistic effect, so for that purpose you just have to go to the mates, and you have to remove all these mates. As you can see here, I have removed all the mates. Removing the mates here means that I am suppressing all the mates. Now I am only keeping this tangent mate. Why? Because I am having my car over here, and for that I need the tangent mate and the parallel mate, so that the car moves in the straight direction and it is tangent with the ground. So only these mates are there, and rest all mates are just suppressed. Now another thing is, I will add some initial velocity to this car so that it goes and hits this wall. So for putting some initial velocity, what I am doing, I am just going to the velocity mode. I'm just going to the car, right clicking the car, and going to the velocity. So for that purpose, what you can do, you can just go right click here and give some initial velocity. Here I'm giving 2000 mm per second initial velocity, and it is over. Now the next thing is that I just need to put some gravity, because if I'm not putting the gravity, these balls or blocks will just go here and there. So for putting the gravity, you just have to go there. It is moving in the downwards direction. It's very good, it's okay. Keep this. And next thing is to give the contact. For giving the contact, you have to go to the contact button, go here, select all the things so that these all are interrelated to each other, and just remove the material and the friction mode, and remember that this is on the impact mode. After this, what you have to do, you have to just put it okay. I've already put this, so to save the time, so that's why I'm not using it again and again. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to go and check out that whether your number of frames per seconds are okay or not. So I'm just going here, I'm using 1000 frames per second. You can just use according to your wish, or according to your, you can say, the requirements. After this, what I'm doing, I'm just going and checking my motion analysis window. Remember that you have to put it on motion analysis window only. Do not use animation or basic motion. Motion analysis is the complete one, and it will just give you the perfect results. Now after this, after doing all the things, what you have to do, you just have to go here and calculate it, because if you are making any sort of changes in this, then you have to calculate only. If you are not calculating, directly running this, then it will not happen. It will not recalculate your results. So now everything is ready, and I have calculated also to save the time. Now I'm just going and playing it so that you can see that how it is working. Here we go. Wow, you can see that this is happening in a very, you can say, a realistic mode, and this car is coming and it is crashing here. So you can see again, if I'm doing here, see how well it is going, and you can just find out the results. You can just go and create some graphs also. If I'm just want to see from this direction, I can also see from this direction also. So it is very good, and you can just create some realistic effects using this SolidWorks Motion. Guys, if you are having any doubts in SolidWorks Motion, either in SolidWorks or in CATIA or any 3D modeling software or analysis software, you can just write to me, you can just mail me and ask me, and I will just prepare some videos for you. If you like my video, just please go and subscribe, and please wait for some new videos, and I'll surely upload some new videos for you all guys.